Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Today we're talking about the automatic recode feature in SPSS Statistics. Sometimes our data contain categorical or string variables, male, female. This is a common example, or make of car. Many procedures require numeric input. Regression is a common example. So we need to add numeric codes to be able to use these variables in machine learning. A quick way to do this is in the transform menu, select automatic recode, select the variable we want to code, give it a new name. And I'm going to click highest value just to point out a couple other things. We'll say, okay, our output window indicates that we've added those codes 1, 2, 3 in consecutive order in descending alphabetic order. The reason we didn't use this in our reverse code discussion is because it doesn't change the labels and it gets really messy if you have coded missing data. But now we have our coded value with labels and everything. And next time we'll talk about some considerations that we built into this and how to deal with those. See you then.